Welcome to our presentation on basic ecological concepts. In this presentation, we will explore fundamental ecological terms, examine the components of ecosystems, and look at the diverse biomes found in Nigeria. Let's begin. Ecology is a branch of biology that examines how living organisms interact with each other and their environment. It focuses on the relationships between organisms and the factors influencing their distribution and abundance. Understanding these basic ecological concepts is essential to grasp the dynamics of natural systems and the impact of human activities. Ecology is broadly classified into two types based on the level of study. The first type is autecology, which focuses on a single species and its interaction with the environment. This includes studying factors like habitat preferences, feeding habits, and adaptation mechanisms. The second type is synecology, which examines groups of species living together in an ecosystem. It focuses on community interactions such as predation, competition, and symbiosis. Both types of ecology help us understand how organisms function individually and collectively within an environment. The environment refers to all external factors, both living, called biotic factors, and non-living, called abiotic factors, that surround and influence an organism's survival and development. For example, the environment of a fish includes water, aquatic plants, and temperature. A habitat is the specific place or type of environment where an organism or population naturally lives and grows. For instance, the habitat of a fish is water. An ecological niche, on the other hand, refers to the role a species plays in its environment, including how it obtains energy, reproduces, and survives. A population is a group of individuals of the same species inhabiting a specific geographic area. For example, all the tilapia fish in a stream make up a population. A community is an assemblage of different populations living and interacting within a habitat. An ecosystem comprises both living components, known as biotic factors, and non-living components, known as abiotic factors, interacting as a functional unit. Let's pause for a quick evaluation. Answer the following questions based on what we have covered so far. You may pause the video if you need more time to think. Ecosystems consist of both living and non-living components. Biotic components are the living organisms within an ecosystem. They include producers, such as green plants, which create food through photosynthesis. Consumers are organisms that get energy by eating other organisms and are classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary consumers. Decomposers, like fungi and bacteria, break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Abiotic components are the non-living physical and chemical factors that influence life in an ecosystem. These include climatic factors like temperature and rainfall, edaphic factors such as soil characteristics, and topographic factors like altitude and slope. Chemical factors, like water and oxygen, are also crucial for sustaining life. Nigeria features diverse biotic communities, also known as biomes. The forest zone includes mangrove swamps, found along coastal regions, where salt-tolerant trees, like red and white mangroves, grow. Another part of the forest zone is the tropical rainforest, characterized by high rainfall, dense vegetation, and trees like mahogany and iroko. The savanna zone of Nigeria varies based on rainfall and vegetation. The southern Guinea savanna has tall grasses and scattered trees like locust bean trees. Moving northward, The northern Guinea savanna features shorter grasses and drought-resistant trees, such as acacias. The Sahel savanna, found in the far northeast, has sparse vegetation and very low rainfall. Now let's take another quick evaluation. Answer the following questions based on the last few slides. Remember, you can pause the video if needed. To summarize, we explored basic ecological terms, including habitat, niche, and population. We also discussed the biotic and abiotic components of ecosystems and examined Nigeria's major biomes, such as the forest and savanna zones. Understanding these concepts is essential for appreciating how ecosystems function and how human activities impact them. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.